What up, people? It's your boy, Daddy Noland, one more time. So, as a small refresher, the first video I did a few minutes ago was mean, median, mode, and range. The second video, we added on from that and did our first quartile, which is our Q1, and our third quartile, which is Q3. We are now going to create a box and whisker plot. There are 5 numbers that we need in order to do the box and whisker. We need our median. We will need our Q1, which is our first quartile. Our Q3, which is our third quartile. And then we're going to need something called our lower extreme, which is just the smallest number in the data. And the upper extreme, which is just the largest number in the data. So here's our data. It's the same example as my last video. I'm going to start by putting them in order from least to greatest. Zoom this out so we can see a little bit more. So here we go. We got 1, got a 2, got a 3, got a 4, got a 7, we got a 12, got an 18, and a 20. Okay, well, let's just get these two out of the way right away. My lower extreme is your smallest number. Well, 1, that's your smallest number. What's your largest number, your upper extreme? Well, it is 20. Those will represent the whiskers on your box and whisker plot. Okay, let's see if we can find the median. Remember, 1 off the front, 1 off the back, 1 off the front, 1 off the back, off the front, off the back. I have 2 numbers left. So add those 2 numbers. 4 plus 7 is 11. And then divide by 2. 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. Okay. Now remember, we have to separate our data. 1 set to our second set. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers on this back end. So notice how both sets now have exactly 4 numbers. So let's find our Q1. 1 off the front, 1 off the back. I have those 2 numbers left. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is half of $5 is $2.50. So our Q1 is 2.5. Let's see if we can find our Q3. 1 off the front, 1 off the back. Oh, I got those 2 numbers. 12 plus 18 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Well, would you look at that? We now have all of our data that I need to make a box and whisker plot, don't I? Well, I'm going to make me a number line. Alright, so here we go. I'm going to start by making my box, which is my median, my Q1 and Q3. So I need a dot at 5.5. So here is 5.5. It's right between 5 and 6. So I'm going to put a dot right up here. Notice how I'm just going right above the number line. I'm doing that just to give myself some space. Then I have a Q1 at 2.5. And then I have a Q3 at 15. So what I'm going to do now is draw a line straight down through each of these dots. And now connect the top. Connect the bottom. There you go. Look at that. You got a box. Now we need my whiskers. Your lower extreme is at 1. So I'm going to put a dot right here at the 1. You now connect your lower extreme to your Q1, which is the edge of the box. Then I need my upper extreme, which is at 20. Again, connect it to the edge of the box. So here's your box. There's your whiskers. And now you're done. You're grafted. Now check this out. This dot right here, remember this one, the 5.5? Well, there's your median. The 2.5, oh, that's your Q1. The 15, oh, that's my Q3. The dot at 1 is your lower extreme. The dot at 20 is your upper extreme. Nice and easy. Look at that. Now we will go into outliers starting tomorrow. Outliers is probably the hardest thing to do because you have to remember a small formula. And otherwise, it's really not extremely bad. You just got to get used to it. All right, guys, I hope this video helps. Have a great day. Bye.